Hi friends, I'm Sophia from Expert Guidance Academy and I'm here with another important lesson in which we are going to learn some sentences which will definitely help you in your daily life. Are you ready for it? Let us begin. So the first sentence is, how was your weekend? I'm glad to see you. What's your plan for today? Can I join you? Let's catch up soon. Can I get a coffee? What is special of the day? I have something for you. Can you pass the salt? The food is delicious. I have a meeting at 2. Can you help me with my project, please? What is the deadline? I'm working on a report. Can I ask you a question? Where is the nearest restroom? Can you give me the direction? I'm lost. Can you help me? Where is the airport? Can I try this on? Do you have my size? Can I get a refund if I'm buying something and I want to return it? I can ask in this way. Can I get a refund? Where is the sales section? If you're going for a shopping, you can ask in this way. Where is the sales section? I have a headache. Do you have any medicine? I need to see a doctor. Take care of yourself. I'm feeling better today. I'm so happy for you. Sorry to hear that. Congratulations. That is amazing. I'm so tired. Sorry, I'm late. Excuse me, please. Can I apologize for that? It is my fault. Sorry, I don't understand. Can you speak louder? What's your phone number? Can I borrow a pen? That's very kind of you. Goodbye. See you later. Have a nice day. Take care. I'll call you soon. See you tomorrow. Where is your house? Who is your best friend? How long have you been living here? Who are all there in your family? Which class are you studying in? Is everything okay? So the answer could be yes, everything is going fine, or everything is okay. How long have you been working? How long have you been working? Where do you stay? Where do you live? Where do you reside? Have you ever been to London? I have been to India. Do you have siblings? I have 2 siblings, excluding me. Where is your hometown? What is your hobby? My hobbies are watching television and reading novels. What do you want to become? What do you want to become? I want to become a teacher. I want to become a CA. How long will you stay here? Can anybody help me out to find a taxi? Can you explain it again? What is your best wish? What is your wish? Where do you want to go? How long will it take to reach the apartment? What is the best means of transportation. That's all, my dear friends. I'll see you again in another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.